Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Quick Workouts Generator on Garmin Forerunner 7Z. Okay, so first we gotta go to the workout section. To do it, you just gotta click the Start Stop button, the yellow one. Then select your activity. For example, I'll pick Run. It's up to you. Then scroll down a little bit and click on Training. And here we have our quick workout. Simply tap on that. Now we gotta select the intensity. We have 4 levels. I'll stick to the moderate one, but we also have easy, hard, or very hard. And then click on Next. Then select the time, 30 minutes, 45, or 60. Also click on Next. And in here we have 3 options. It's up to you which one you'll pick. In here, for example, we have, they are separated, for example, 3 times 8 minutes, one run that it takes 30 minutes, or 3 times 10. It's up to you which one you'll pick. Let's say I'll pick the option 1, and then all you gotta do is to click on Start, and then click on Do Workout, and the workout will begin. And now, what kinds of workout does it create? Simply, it depends on the intensity you choose, and the watch may generate sessions, just like I was saying, easy, moderate, hard, or very hard. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.